Everyone, this side Mohit. I just come again with one more video. So today, as you all know, burrata, it's a famous Italian cheese. So we are going to plate today burrata. I hope everyone like burrata, so I just select this dish. So let's go with the ingredients. This is our burrata, which we make homemade with mozzarella, and we are binding it with vinegar, and this we are doing it homemade. So this one is Tedesco olives. This is Italian olives. I'm using this one. So this is our homemade pesto. So in this we use basil, pine nuts, parmesan, garlic, olive oil, and this is our freshly cut cherry tomato. I'm using Spanish cherry tomato. So this is our charcoal tuli, and one is beetroot tuli. So, and this is our burrata cream, which I just make freshly from burrata. It's just burrata and cream. I just blend it. I just want to give a twist in this dish, so I am using orange wedges, so it will give a little citric. Tomatoes are also citric, but this is a sweet one. So, and this is our roca, as you all know, and this is our crackle, which I use for garnish. So guys, first thing first, let's go with cherry tomato first. So I'm using cherry tomato on the edge. It will give a very nice color to your dish and also very nice taste. As you know, you can find this burrata dish in every Italian restaurant menu, and one of the most moving dish. You just have to keep on the sides. I just mix with this cherry tomato with basil, so it will give a very nice taste. So we will keep it back. Then we will take our roca. It will give a sharp taste. It will give a very sharp taste to your dish. Just put it in the middle like this. Now you can take your burrata cream. Taking my burrata cream, just put it like this, just for the plating. So that your plate will look little more attractive. Now I will take my tongue and just I will remove this stamp, it's extra. Now I will place my bread in between, and I will take my burrata, and in between I will place this so that it will hold the bread also. I think so it will be visible to you guys. And now I will take my pesto. Just take little bit, or as you like want to put, just put on your burrata. Just keep it back. Now you can take your olives and place it all over. Tedesco olives also give a very nice taste. They have their original taste, so you can go with them. For me, this is the most nice olive I have ever tasted. So just place one on the top. Keep it back again. Now we will take our tuli. This, guys, I make with the charcoal oil. This just place like this all over. Just keep in mind your cherry tomatoes will not get hide because of this. Just place one or two here, and then I'm using beetroot tuli just on the sides. Just the last dish, I want to give it a twist, so I'm using orange wedges. Just place it likewise. It will give it a very nice taste, or it will give a very nice color to your dish also. Guys, I think so I'm finished with this, and here is our burrata with cherry tomato and basil, and there is Tabasco olives and roca with burrata cream. Hope you guys enjoy this dish as I enjoyed to make this one. Thank you for watching.